Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP Low Content channel. Finding good profitable books on KDP can be really hard, but in this video I want to show you a book or niche area that I have found that is highly profitable and with a little bit of effort. If you are looking for a new niche to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. So today what I am gonna talk about is the niche which is doing very well in the market and you can definitely try your hands. So guys, today I will discuss about two activity book niche to sell on Amazon KDP. So let's go Amazon KDP marketplace and we search. Our first niche is mermaid activity book for kids 7 years. Wow, the results only shows 620. So obviously this is a small niche mermaid activity book for kids 3 to 7 years, and here are 32 review of mermaid activity book for kids 3 to 7 years, and also BSR is good, 291,948. So here we can see the income per month income rate of this book. To 91948, 291,948. So here per day sales 1 and per month sales 17. So as a beginner, you will publish mermaid activity book for kids and you will definitely got the sale. So our second niche is mindfulness workbook for kids. So here results only shows 1000, and this is also a small niche, and here 1677 review, and also BSR is also so many good, 3499, and we can check the income of this book 3499. Wow, per day sales 58 and per month sales 87,870. So obviously this is a good profitable niche with low competition. So you can try, upload, publish for these two highly profitable book like mindfulness workbook for kids and mermaid activity book for kids 3 to 7 years old. So guys, if you get two profitable niche from my video, please do subscribe my channel and share my video to your friends and family and whoever is interested in passive income. And if you have liked this video, I do really appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell so I can actually share with you more niche, more ideas and help you to scale your self publishing business. Please like, comment what type of video you will be need. Please comment my video. Thank you so much.